So we are at Electroloc Hardware and Glass, and this location is the exquisite home decor center. Be prepared to see some of the most amazing things to make your home look brand new this Christmas. Amazing. Talk to me about the range that you have available here.
We have standing lights, wall lamps, desk lights. If it's for your bedroom, we give you the one for the bedroom. It's for your living room, we give you that one. Also, we have for your gates and for other areas. Everything that is purchased in our lighting department, you get up to 10 to 15% discount.
No, that's awesome.
This goes until the end of the Christmas season. And we have standing showers as well. If you need a custom-made one, that can be done as well. You have some comfort height toilets. Those are the ones that are going now. These are HD high definition tiles. You use less tiles when you use this one, and it gives you an amazing look. You will be getting 10 to 15% on all tiles purchased.
The floating vanity.
This one.
Yes. And if you want the traditional bathroom,
you have it here.
Vanity.
With a lot of drawers as well.
Yes.
You have a cupboard where you can store your toiletries. This goes for a male and a female.
Yes. The cupboards in the kitchen are everything.
Yes.
And this cupboard is very stylish. So this is your St. Anne's Bay location. Where else can I find Electroloc?
Okay, we are at 11 Cassia Park Road in Kingston 10, and also at 9 Harbour Street, where we have the hardware where you get all your building materials.
Absolutely everything you need to spruce up for the holidays and going into 2018. Thank you so much, Ms. Brown, for having us.
Thank you for coming.
If you need any car parts, any specialty items, any car accessories, and you're in the Ocho Rios area, anywhere in St. Anne for that matter, stop by at Ocho Rios Parts Center and ask for Brian Williams. He's a store manager because that's what everybody call him. Brian. And he surely can. Brian,
welcome.
They can help people.
Yes.
Do you have a Christmas special that you're
Yes, we have 10 to 30% on all accessories, LED lights.
So all car
HID,
accessories.
All car accessories.
10 to 30% off for Christmas.
Christmas.
Is right now.
Right now. It starts
Right now. Like now.
Speaking, no. Until the 31st of December.
And what kind of car accessories you have?
All these light and accessories, steering cover, wheel, steering cover, seat covers, all these accessories, 10 to 30% off. Seats, coaster and this wheel, coaster, compressor, coaster alternator, differential for IS, we have, you name it.
We pretty much have parts for almost every make?
Almost Japanese vehicle.
Japanese vehicles.
Yes. And few American vehicles also.
For the mobile oil?
Yeah, buy 3 or 4, get
one free. Yes. And also you have a gas card.
Spend $3,000, get a $100 gas voucher. Spend $5,000 over, get a $200 gas voucher.
Spend $3,000,
you get a $100 gas voucher. Spend $5,000, you get a $200 gas voucher.
And I can redeem it at any gas station in Ocho Rios?
No, only at our gas station, which is total Ocho Rios. We open Monday to Saturdays from 7:30 to 7:30 in the evening. Monday
to Saturday? Yes. No Sunday?
Our mini branch at the gas station open 7 days a week.
The mini branch, but the main one doesn't?
No.
Sunday, rice and peas day. Check it out. Christmas shopping spree, we're doing it big. Check it out, St. Anne, Ocho Rios. This is the place to be, right here, sir. Right here, sir.
Some say it's the breathtaking view. Others, the fantastic cuisine. I think it's the amazing hostess, Eva Myers. That's what makes Evita's Italian restaurant rated among the best in the world. How are you, Eva Myers?
Fantastic after all those beautiful comments.
Talk to me about this Christmas holiday special.
Along with the Italian choices, people when they come here, they're going to have a choice of a 3 kings platter, which is ham, lamb, and turkey, with all the traditional things that go with it. Dressing, mashed potatoes, vegetables, cranberry sauce. But along with that, they're going to have a choice also of the traditional nice big escovitch fish and a pasta that I call contessa, which is a lobster in the shell, and the pasta is tossed with lobster in the shell and shrimp and tossed with a tomato sauce and a few pepper flakes to give it a little flavor.
Spicy.
And then for the people that want trendy new things, so we are doing a soup with kale, sweet potatoes, and coconut.
So that's the entree, the soups, the salad. Now you know Christmas isn't Christmas without some cake.
Sweet potato, cranberry, walnuts, cake.
In a cake.
Yeah.
When can we come and have it?
Well, this will start on the 24th.
So that's Christmas Eve. You're open on Christmas Day as well?
Yes.
Yes, and on Boxing Day.
And on Boxing Day.
It really is wonderful being here. And when they come in, they'll hear music.
Yes.
They'll love the
Oh,
ambiance.
yes.
They'll be amazed by the food.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
And we'll have live entertainment too. It's going to be a fun afternoon and evening.
If you want to do something different this holiday, it has to be Evita's